Welcome to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're doing a different little video. We're gonna spray paint another rifle. This is my Derya TM22. I bought it blue to be different, but now I'm having second thoughts, and because I can't leave anything alone, it's time to paint it. So what I'm gonna strip it down, take all the parts off. I'm probably gonna go like a camel pattern or something on the main body and handguard. I'm going to paint the barrel a solid color. I'm going to keep the back black, the grip black. I think I'm going to paint the optic too. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, bipod. I'm going to keep that carbon fiber looking because it's kind of cool. Carbon fiber is cool. And that's about it. So little pick rails and stuff I'll keep black, but the good majority of the rifle, it will be all painted. And we'll see what it looks like when it's done. So first, let's strip it and we'll get back to it. It's all stripped down naked. I took the trigger group out, as you can see there. Everything's taken apart. I'm gonna leave the barrel on, like I said. I'm gonna paint that all one color. And then I'm gonna cover up the magazine release right here. Probably the little red and white dot. I'll keep those clean. I'm going to mask off the inside so we don't get no overspray on the inside of the receiver. And that's about it. I'll put the top cap on and we'll spray it like that. And while I'm at it, now that I have the trigger out, I'm going to drill a little tiny hole, tap it, and put a little Allen set screw in there just to take up the over travel, so it's not such a shot breaks and got another half an inch of over travel basically with this rifle. So might as well while I have it out. Well, here we are about an hour later. Got her all dressed back up. Everything works. Safety works. And we also got the trigger limit screw. So you don't have all that crazy over travel now. That's it. So there we go. Back in action. TM22. It's got a new look. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care, guys.